What if one AI tool could read entire research papers, summarize books, write human like content, help in coding, generate ideas, and save hours of your work every single day? This is Claude AI. In this video, I will show you everything: how to use Claude, best features, real demonstrations, powerful prompts, research use cases, content creation flow works, and whether Claude is actually better than ChatGPT. Watch this video till the end because some of Claude's features are honestly game changing for students, researchers, creators, and professionals. Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It is designed for writing, research, coding, summarization, brainstorming, data analysis, learning, productivity. Unlike many AI tools, Claude is especially known for long document understanding, human like writing, deep reasoning, large content memory. This makes it extremely useful for PhD scholars, students, researchers, YouTubers, bloggers, developers, and professionals. To access Claude, first go to Claude AI official website. Sign in using your Google account or email. Once you're logged in, you will see a very clean interface. On the left, your previous charts will be available. At the center, the AI workspace, prompt box, and file upload options. Now let's test Claude with a real research paper. I'm uploading a PDF. Notice how Claude instantly processes the document. Now let's ask, summarize this research paper in simple language. And look at this. Claude gives all within seconds. Now let's test deeper prompts. This is where Claude becomes powerful for researchers. I'm giving a prompt, identify research gaps from this paper. Instead of reading many pages manually first, you can quickly understand missing areas, future scope, research opportunities. This can save hours during literature review. One reason creators love Claude is its writing quality. Let's test it. I'm giving a prompt, write a YouTube intro about AI tools for researchers. Now compare this with typical robotic AI content. Claude's writing feels more natural, more conversational, more readable, and more engaging. This makes it useful for YouTube scripts, blog articles, Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, emails, and academic simplification. Let's test Claude for academic work. I'm uploading a thesis paragraph and giving a prompt, improve this academically without changing the meaning. Look at the output. Claude improves grammar, flow, academic tone, and clarity. Now another prompt. Convert this into literature review points. This is extremely useful for research scholars, dissertation writing, synopsis preparation, research summaries. But important, never copy AI content directly into your thesis or journal paper. Always verify facts, edit manually, add your own analysis, check citations. Use AI as an assistant, not as a replacement for critical thinking. Claude becomes much more powerful when your prompts improve. Here are some powerful prompts you should save. Prompt 1. Summarize this research paper with objectives, methodology, findings, and limitations. Prompt 2. Find research gaps from these uploaded papers. Prompt 3. Write a human-like YouTube script with strong hook lines. Prompt 4. Rewrite this AI-generated text naturally. Prompt 5. Explain this concept like I am a beginner. So which one is better? Claude or ChatGPT? The answer depends on your work. Claude is stronger for long document analysis, natural writing, deep reasoning, and large content handling, whereas ChatGPT is stronger for ecosystem integration, image generation, productivity flow works, and multimodal tools. Many professionals actually use both together. Now let's talk about limitations. Claude is powerful but not perfect. Sometimes it may hallucinate facts, create incorrect citations, sound overconfident. So always verify important academic or professional information. Claude is especially useful for researchers, PhD scholars, students, writers, YouTubers, developers, educators, and professionals. If your work involves reading, writing, analyzing, or brainstorming, Claude can become an incredible productivity assistant. So this was the complete Claude AI tutorial with real demonstrations. If you found this video valuable, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with students and researchers, and comment below which AI tool do you use the most, Claude or ChatGPT.